Welcome! We're going to make a review of these. So we're going to an unboxing. So hopefully you have been using the old kind. So this. The problem with this is the cord. The cord always is a problem. Maybe you're in the backyard working with your car, or maybe in a project, maybe hanging from an antenna, a tower, or something like that, and you need to cut something, and you say, oh God, I wish I could have a Dremel next to me. So it happened to me many times, so I decided to grab one of these, and I see hopefully this will be a good product. So this is the most powerful product that I ever seen, at least on the market. As you can see, the basic, I think the basic is 8 volts. We have the 12 volts. This is the maximum. I wish it could be like 18 or 20, but I don't know. Again, these people, they are drinking me while they are doing this product. They are designing this product. So we're going to take it out of the box. Let's see what it comes with it. Maybe later I'll do another video showing how it works. Maybe. If you have any questions, just let me know in the section below. Okay, that was easy. So, okay, it comes with this. Always keep the suitcase. Oh, nice! It comes with the manual in this bag. I wish it could be like a Ziploc bag, because otherwise it might get all dirty. Or you may lose it over time. Who knows? We will see. Okay. I thought this was something else, but who knows? All right. So we have the little instructions. Usually this is pretty self-explanatory, except I don't know, it should not be that complex. Here you can put the manual. Maybe I can grab a Ziploc bag and put it inside for later use, because these little booklets, surely they are going to get lost later. All right, so here we have the main product. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Do I need to charge it? It's fully uncharged. Huh. What a bummer. Yeah, there is no button, no nothing. There we go. Ha! I thought it was kind of weird. Okay, here is 0. This is the minimum speed. Nice. And barely you can see the light, but it's half charged as usual, so that way the battery will last longer. And I think it should be strong enough. We will give it a shot. It comes with 2 batteries. Oh, this is a miracle. Usually the products, they come with no battery. I just did another review of drills, and I took it out of the box, no battery. So in this case, yeah, nice, cool, ready to use. You have 2, one dies, you go with the other one. So this is your eye protector. Nice, very good. Hopefully you can rotate it. Yes, you can rotate it, so that's nice. So that way you're facing this and nothing should harm you. So with this, I think you can hang it. As usual, I have to grab my dictating axe, my Swift knife. It should not be that difficult, but All right, cool. You can keep it like that. Maybe you can hang it on that place, maybe, but that will not be a wise decision. Maybe for something else. Usually when you buy some other kit, you can hang it from something else. All right, so here it comes with this. There you go. I think you can, oh, there you go. You can see you can regulate the height. So if you want to use it like a router, you know, to cut things, I think it's something that I'm never going to use, so maybe not likely. Here I have another thing. I don't know what is this about. Maybe I have to read the instructions later. Here we comes the cutting tools, the blades and everything. Nice, very good. A compact size, yeah. I have a few of these already. What is this? A bubble gum? Polish compound. Okay, it seems like to polish something. This something that I will never use surely. Another cutting tool. Some other, yes, this, I don't know, I see pictures, you know, trying to sharpening knife with this, and I don't know for that. For something else to cut, sure. This goes like this, and it will sit perfectly here on this side. It comes with a charger. Nice, very good. So now I can charge the battery, maybe a few hours, and it should do it. There you go. Yes, you plug this in. There you go. Take it out. I don't know why it's kind of difficult to plug this in. It should not be that difficult. Okay, cool. It works. So I think you have to get used to it. So the hinges goes like this. We have to use this. And yeah, let's see. Cutting tool. I have few. I think, yeah. I have some cutting tools here because from my other Dremel. This is an addition, and I have more cutting tools, like I said before, here. And we should be okay with this. So now later I have to try. I like it with the other one. It came something that was very cool. Ah, yes, this is what I wanted to show you. So okay, here you have to push this in order to lock this in place. Otherwise, it will spin. You see. So in order to take it out, you have to push the button. And hopefully, oh yes, or you have to grab any plier that will do it. So you have to do this. There you go. And then you can put this here. There you go. It doesn't have to be very tight, but tight enough. So now you push this down like that. It's kind of a pain with this. So let's see. There you go. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yep. All right. Now, oh, come on. All right. So now we have to do this and adjust it. Put this back again. It should not be that difficult, but you know. All right. Now we tighten this up, and that's it. So for small stuff, like I said before, full speed. Nice. It stopped like right away. So as you can see, it cut it just fine, no problem. If you want to cut wood, you could, but this is not made for this. There you go. Nice. It works great. I wish you could have some easy way to release instead of spinning this. I don't know. It seems like you have to take it out of the small box. Surely you will not be able to close it later. Yeah, it doesn't close. You have to remove it from here. So that is why I like to keep things here. So that way, you know, you put the whole thing here. And you don't have to worry about, you know, breaking the disc or anything like that. You put it like that. Done. Problem solved. The only thing downside is, you know, you will have to remember that you have to take this with you, otherwise you may lose it. So hopefully you like this mini review. I'll play with this later, but this is very convenient, so you can have it in your toolbox when you need it. You don't have to worry about plugging things in, and that's it. Thank you, and see you next time.